Good evening, sir. I'm Kenneth Marco Biaguas, and I'm gonna discuss why I did choose this lightning team design because I think it's cool because of electric or electricity give us power to like the full house because of electricity. Then that's why I choose the lightning team design. Then I changed the color of the number to golden because it represent money. Just like a calculator, you're calculating like a money. That's why I choose the color gold for the buttons. Then let it run. Example, let let's see if the operation are successfully being controlled, or it's going is to it's using the correct uh, amount, just like this. 12 plus 3 equals 15. 15 minus 5 equals 10. 10 multiply by 3. 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Then let's see if we can add as a decimal. 6.50, just like that we can add decimal. This arrow or backspace is removing one number at a time, just like that. Then for example is the C or clear, it's gonna clear all the number. Then